I know some of you will be in an urgent situation, so let's quickly jump into how to change your stepney or how you will change the tire of your car. So first of all, what you will do is, you will pull your handbrakes so that your car is steady and you will not let this loose like this. You have to pull it up and leave it. Gear should be on neutral. And switch on your hazard light. And your steering should be straight. You just have to lift this up. Before all of this, make sure that you place the hazard stand 5 to 10 meters away from your car. Now this is the jack. With the help of this, you're going to lift your car up. These are your spanners. These are your toe bolt. This one, sorry. And this is used for rotating. The wheel cover, and we have to pull this out. थोड़ा hard रहेगा. So what you can do is, you can just use this and remove it. Step, we are supposed to open this. These are the 4 bolts, and this will take a lot of strength. You cannot do by hand. And this is supposed to go anti-clockwise. So this is a spanner you fit inside this, and you might need to stand up on it and there'll be a big sound. Don't get scared, it's just the nut bolt because it is very tight. Now the biggest question is, where will you place this one? Because you have to place it at the right point so that your car gets lifted up. There is this gap over here, so there will be something inside of the same size wherein we have to fit this, and from that this will get locked, and then you will be able to lift the car up. So we're going to find what should we be fitting inside this. Since there is a height, we will be doing this with hand itself so that it comes and fits there. So I'm just going to rotate this. It's very easy, and look how it's going to lift up. In this situation, don't panic. That's the first thing you should do. It's just a 5 minutes job that anyone can do. To rotate this clockwise, with an assumption that all the technical things are supposed to be known only by the men, but it's not so true. It's a very easy 5 to 10 minutes task that even you can do. If I can do it, any one of us can do it. Whether you own a car or not, these are some skills that you should possess, which you can add in your resume. No, it's life skills. So you can help someone, and when you own a car, it's for your own good. So can you see what I'm doing here? As I'm rotating it clockwise, the car is getting lifted. I'm going to lift it until the tire gets off from the ground and I'm able to pull it out. Ah, look at this. We have removed the tire. Now the only thing left is that you have to fix this tire back there, screw, and that's it. That's a new tire that I got. So I'm not going to fix this. I just showed you how you will have to take the new tire out and fix it. I'm going to fix that back again because that's a very good tire. So now I'm going to fix this back. अगर आप घूमने जा रहे हो तो थोड़ा मेकअप तो ऑफ हो जाएगा जैसे मेरे पसीने छूट गए, बट आपका टायर का काम तो ज़रूर पूरा हो जाएगा। ये नट बोल्ट में जो ये साइड है इसको ऐसे फिक्स करना है, नॉट दिस साइड, इस साइड से जाएगा। With your hand just try to fix how much ever you can. तो जब भी हम नट फिक्स कर रहे हैं, keep sure that you diagonally fix the nut. अगर आप यहाँ पे कर रहे हो तो आप सेकेंड नट यहाँ पे करो, then third and then fourth, और anyway round but diagonally, opposite, मतलब cross वाला, ठीक है? We opened this anti-clockwise, so now we'll be doing it clockwise. So with the help of the spanner, just tight it a little bit. We'll try to fix this as much as we can with the use of the spanner, and then only we'll try to lift this down back, okay? Let this not be loose, at least jitna aap kar sakte ho, how much ever you can, try to fit it, okay? I use this clockwise to lift it up. Now I'm going to do it anti-clockwise to lift it down. It has come out. Okay, there are two spanners in a car, so one end will be like this and the other end will be like this. Use this one for tightening the nuts, because this can be a little slippery and you might also hurt yourself when you jump down. This will be the best one because it doesn't slip and it's a soft corner, right? This thing you can use for the lever, right? When we try to lower down the car or lift the car up. Now since the car has already come down, we'll try to fix this and we'll be doing it clockwise. Whenever you're fitting this, make sure that this is in the opening part, right? Where it opens, somewhere here. So it should be visible. Just tap it. In the first opportunity itself, try to fix the tire or replace it, or like if it's a puncture, just try to repair it, because you never know when you'll have to use it back again. Car tire was fit there and there is a hole over there. In this hole, we are going to screw it up, and be sure how you removed it also. So it has to be this way up, okay? And this has to be down. Make sure that the hole is in the middle of the circle, okay? Now we had this, which we are going to fit this back. This is the last thing that you'll be doing.